G'day folks, Sam here, and I wanted to show you one of our display bikes that we do have here for sale at Bikebiz Motorcycles Parramatta. And I wanted to pick on some of the accessories that you can fit to your motorcycle at home. Now, just to start off with, we've got the Evotech long foldable levers, which are these ones up here. Now, these are black with red adjusters, okay? So you've got 6 adjustments that you can run throughout here, and you can also get these little adjusters in different colors as well. And what's trick about these levers, which come in a pair, is that they do flip upwards. So if you do drop the bike on the side, it's less likely that these will break. Moving down, I have the genuine Yamaha fly screen, specific for the Yamaha MT-07. Now, this particular screen does buffer a little bit of wind out, but it is mainly for design purposes. I do deal with a lot of different other brands for all types of models of motorcycles as well. So you can go a little bit taller, a little bit wider, even a little bit shorter, whichever you like. We'll be able to sort it out for you. In terms of protection on our display bike here at Bikebiz, we also have quite a few different options. So firstly, we've got the radiator guard, which is very important for any motorcycle. Stops chips, stones, all that kind of stuff from smashing into your radiator, but it still allows it to breathe properly. I've also put the genuine Yamaha radiator side covers here just for a little bit of a design touch. Now, I've also got Evotech branded 3-piece kit protection. So what that means essentially is that we get a front fork slider. Now, the front fork slider is very important because it protects this section of the motorcycle, and replacing a fork leg that's damaged is very expensive on a motorcycle. Now, if you follow me, I've got the frame slider, which is probably the biggest point of interest when it comes to protection on any bike. Now, the frame sliders do protect most areas of the bike in terms of the tank, as with the frame and also your engine casing as well, okay? And that brings us down to the rear. And with the MT-07, the rear, you can get your rear axle slider. This acts as not only a protective piece, but also for the rear stand in order to leverage the rear wheel up, so you can do things like the chain maintenance and also wheel cleaning as well. Now, GBRACING do a engine case cover kit, all right, which is both for the left and the right-hand side of the motorcycle. And what that does is it protects all your engine casing throughout here. All right, so it's a really tough plastic mold, and it's very easy to install as well. Basically bolts onto the motorcycle, making it nice and simple. Now, the last 2 bits that I wanted to show you on our display MT-07 bike is our exhaust system that we do have here. Now, this is a Yoshimura R77 full exhaust system. Now, it's a stainless steel with a carbon fiber end cap. So if you want to make the bike look quite a bit better, drop a lot of weight and increase the horsepower as well, this is definitely an important item to add to any motorcycle. Now, lastly, we've got one of our most popular selling items for any motorcycle here at Bikebiz, which is the tail tidy. And what the tail tidy does is get rid of the ugly license plate holder that comes out of the factory with every single modern day motorcycle now. Okay, so it just neatens it up. All you really see is a number plate with the indicators, which makes it look nice and sleek and just touches the bike perfectly. Now, these are some of the accessories and performance parts you can add to your motorcycle that are available at Bikebiz Motorcycles, either online or in store. So feel free to give us a call about the accessories or even about this display motorcycle that we do have for sale, and we'll help you out from there.